Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a 3D can rotation animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First take an image of can and duplicate it. Now take a label image and place it over a can. Select the both label and the duplicated can and apply mask. Now select the mask group and change the blend mode to multiply. Repeat this process to create multiple cans. Select all the cans and frame them together. Adjust the size of the frame. Now take a new frame and add the background images. Now move all the background images to the top except the strawberry one. Now bring the can frame. Duplicate the frame. Bring next background image down and send the current one up. Select the can and slightly move the label to create a 3D rotation effect. Move the current can to the left and bring the next one. Adjust the label position. Repeat this process for each can. Now switch to prototype mode and connect the frames using on-click interaction, Smart Animate, linear animation with a duration of 600 ms. And that's it. Now you have a cool animation in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.